Hello students, Professor Benavides here. Let's go ahead and continue talking about Lab 1. This is Task 7 from Chapter 1. And we'll perform the task and then we'll elaborate. So it says, view the all apps list in an alphabetical index that can be used to jump to other apps fast. To a print screen and call it Task 7, all apps alphabetical index. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it and then we'll elaborate. So when I click on the start button, I get the three parts. Remember, we have the places list, hell of a name, right? The middle where it's the apps list, that's what we're going to be messing with. And then later on, we'll talk a little bit about Tile World over here, Wall Street, or whatever you want to call it. I always ask my students if they're using this, and hardly anybody does. It's kind of like what was left over from Windows 8 kind of stuff. I think they just dumped it here. But you'll notice that your app list is in alphabetical order. And you've got folders denoted by this little, caret. So there's applications inside of folders, right? So how do I get this index? All you got to do is just click on any one of them. And that allows me to see the index. So I don't have any apps that start with K. I've got some apps that start with F. So this would give me the ability to jump around faster. I'm asking for a print screen here. So I'm going to press the print screen button. Go ahead and go to Paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Paste. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to go ahead and call it. Let's see now. Task 7. All apps I'll just say, instead of alphabetical index, I'll just say alpha. Too many letters there. And that's good enough. Let's do it as a JPEG. Save, close, and let's verify that I did what I thought I did. I should have 7 tasks, and if you like, you can sort it. To do that, remember, just go to View, get into Details View, and that allows you to go ahead and sort things, sort the file names by clicking on the file name header. If you click on any one of these, you'll be able to see a preview on the right if you've clicked the preview pane. I know that's from other chapters, but it's kind of, you want to be checking your work as you go along, and if you see a mistake, you want to go ahead and fix it. Okay. All right. So now for the elaboration. Okay, because we've got our 7 tasks down. So the elaboration is, we've got this start menu. We've already talked about the places list. We're zeroing in on the middle here. So when you're working with the middle here, you have to know about the the context menu. So if you right mouse click on any one of these apps, what you get depends on what you click on. So if it's an outside app from Windows, a lot of the times you'll have the ability to go ahead and uninstall it from here. Like, I want to uninstall Access. No, right? But I can go ahead and pin it to the start menu. So when I do that, that allows me to go ahead and access it from Tile World. I want to go ahead and right mouse click on it there. I can unpin it. Again, right mouse clicking on it here allows me to go ahead and access more. I can pin it to the taskbar. I like the taskbar better. I don't know about you. And if I want to take it off, I can right mouse click on it and then unpin it. Okay. Now, if I click on another application, let's they're not all able of uninstalling. So if you want to learn by doing, if you click on one of the accessories from Windows, right mouse click on it. I can do an uninstall there too, but I thought it was, but I get less. It seems like my menu is less. So let me see now. If I go ahead and go to, like, say for example, Windows System, and open that up to the command prompt, right mouse click on that, I can't uninstall that. So there's some things, it seems like, and I'm just general idea here, Seems like things that are related to the system you can't take off, like the run. I can't take the control panel. Yeah, try and get rid of that, right? The task manager, try and get rid of that. No, you can't uninstall that. So there's some things that you can't uninstall, some things that you can install, and you can do that from the right menu. I prefer to do it from, you know, the application that allows you to do it, but this is just a demonstrating some of the topics that are covered with reference to this middle section of your start menu, the apps list. So in our next part, we'll talk a little bit more about the right-hand side of the start menu. All right, thank you.